kick. Whoa, Zacky! Look at this! It's pretty, isn't it? Look, there's Peppa. That is Peppa.
This looks good.
Whoa! I'm going to jump over a little bit. That's better. It was tilting too much then.
Right, say cheese.
Whoa, look.
They're baking some cookies.
Who can you see? Who can you see? It's very cute, isn't it? Is that Peppa laughing?
It's the Queen.
The Queen?
We should change that to the King, really, shouldn't they?
Whoa. That's so funny. Are you shy, Zack? Hey, hello, Peppa. I like this little tunnel. We're gonna go through the tunnel. Lovely. Whoa, here we go. Whoa. We're spinning now. Oh. There's Mr. Ball. Oh! So should we go on this car one on the track up there?
Yeah.
Should we do that?
Yeah. With Mummy and Daddy.
Yeah.
Has I got that there?
What do you mean?
Has I got wheels turning on track?
Yeah, they have, yeah.
Not that one, not a big wheel.
Yeah, they have two, yeah, the wheels underneath, isn't it? Little wheels.
They've got one of them. They're spinning.
Yeah. Oh, look at these. How many, who can you see up here? Look, is that Susie Sheep? Who's the zebra one? That's Zoe Zebra. Yeah? Look at them all. Can you see George? Where's George?
Why are you not looking at him?
Are you shy? Look at the rabbit, look at the rabbit. Look.
Yeah!
Rebecca Rabbit.
And the elephant, what's the elephant called?
The elephant called Ellie Elephant.
The clever clogs.
Emily Elephant and what's the boy called?
Susie Sheep.
Who's the one that goes, he's a clever clog sort of? Huh?
Edmund.
Edmund Elephant.
Danny Dog. Look, where's Danny Dog?
Wow. So look, it's a boat. That's Grandpa Pig's boat. Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig.
Donuts.
Oh, you can smell donuts from there, yeah.
Turning.
Oh, look, we're coming back into the station now. Look, we're going to hit the conveyor belt. Here we go.
Mind your head when exiting
Mind the gap.
It's there.
Wow, look at these. These look good, don't they?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Why is that one? Why is that one the wet floor sign there?
It is, isn't it? It is raining
What
today,
is that
though.
man doing? The back of there.
The back of the boat. There's a little flag on the back.
Why is that man slipped under?
Yeah, here we go. Whoa, we're bouncing up and down.
The ducks. Oh look, why is that here?
Wow, look at the ducks in the water.
Hi, Mummy!
Look at these ducks.
Yeah.
What are they doing? Look.
They're spinning.
Look at the ducks. Do you think the ducks like the ride?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bumpy boat, isn't it?
What's that bumpy boat? Whoa.
It's a bumpy ride. see Mummy?
What's that whistle flying?
You see Mummy? There she is. Whoa, look at that ride. That looks good, doesn't it? With the track.
Yeah.
Like the lighthouse. Yeah? Oh, ducks.
They're swimming.
Oh, in the water. It's really funny. Look at the car up there. That looks good, doesn't it? Do you want to go on that ride? Do you want to go on that ride?
Yeah.
Do you feel like Grandpa Pig?
What's that man doing?
Grandpa Pig's boat. Yeah?
Yeah.
Grandpa Pig's boat.
How can I pick it up with your hand?
Grandpa Pig's boat ride. Yay, Zacky! Hello! Hey, Zacky! Is it good? Go, Zacky! Hey, Zack! Zack! Hello! It's funny. What are you riding? Is that George's Dinosaur? Zack, are you on George's Dinosaur? That's really funny. Whoa, go Zack. Is there going to have smoke come out? Go back to the station. Wow. Is there a horn? Beep, beep. Girls can stare. going to use the steering wheel?
No.
No, we don't need it, do we? You can pretend to steer though.
That turn.
That's it, yeah, that's it. Turn right. Let's turn right.
Could you?
Whoa. That's it. You're driving. That's it, and then we're going to go left a little bit. That's it, you got it.
Look at these buttons, Daddy.
They aren't they? Lots of colours, lots of nice buttons. Yeah. Look, who's that? Is that Zoe Zebra? Look, she's on a zebra crossing. That's cool, isn't it? Here we go. Is that, look, the pickup truck. They're rescuing the car. Look, look, the tow truck. Look, Zack, the tow truck. Wow. That's great. Oh, Zack, traffic lights. Traffic lights. There's George, look. There, look. George. Are we going to stop for the zebra crossing? Wow.
Are we stopping now?
I think so. We're coming back into the station.
These buttons.
I like the buttons.
Could you
Look.
beep, 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 beep?
God, look at that. What does that say? Remain seated. Oh, no.